Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This is a very special video regarding especially for literature review. So some of our subscribers are asked that what are the important AI tools for literature review, especially for chatting with a PDF. So there are many tools are available for literature review. So in that you can upload your reference paper and get that paper analyzed, or else you can ask questions related with that particular paper, and also it will generate possible questions in that particular paper. So thereby you will get a clear idea about the reference paper you are uploading, and then you will be having different options of asking, analyzing, and to get a better knowledge about that paper. Thereby you can make a better comprehensive literature review for your introduction part of your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore the different AI tools for literature review, especially for uploading your reference paper and get it itself analyzed using AI tools. So let us go on to today's video. So first tool what we are going to discuss today is the chat with any PDF. So here it's a best option where you can upload your or drop your PDF here. So you can click on and you can go on and upload your reference papers. For example, say I am going to upload a reference paper. So here I am going to upload this paper. So click on and upload this paper. So after uploading your paper, so here you can see your paper will be provided here. So after that you can see what are the different possible questions to be asked in that particular paper. So this paper is all about a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of a mobile robot. So here you can see the example questions, what are the possible example questions to be asked related with that paper. If it not so, you can ask any question with that particular paper. So what are the main findings of the paper? So like that you can go on and ask any question. So let us see how this chat PDF will generate answers. So here you can see the main findings of the paper are that the proposed approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning ant colony optimization improves the performance algorithm on steady problems as observed in the statistical analysis. So like that it will generate a better answers in that particular question what we have asked with respect to that paper. So thereby it is a best option to make a better literature survey by uploading your paper in that AI tool. So thereby it will generate better answers for you. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today is that academic GPT. So here also you will be having an option called drop research papers here, or click to select. So just you can do the same here. So drop a research paper. So after that that is you can see our paper is selected. So after that you will be having different options called write, feedback, and explain. So here you can see write. So in this write you will be having different options like abstract, conclusion, summary, future work section, ethical consideration section, presentation outline, latex template. Here I am going to click summary. So here you can see that AI tool will generate summary of the particular paper you have uploaded in that database. So here it will take several seconds to generate. And also here you can see that these are the different options. Feedback, so you can analyze the particular reference paper whether it's worth for it to take it as a reference or not. So in that you can see what are the drawbacks in that particular reference paper you have taken. Thereby you can avoid that limitations in your paper you are going to prepare. So here you can see argument strength, language coherency, originality, and citation, etc. So yes, here comes our result is generated as we are asked for summary. So here summary for the paper is generated. So the paper attempts to mitigate the issue of a full convergence in ant colony optimization algorithm by dynamically varying a specific parameter. So like that it will generate a comprehensive summary. So thereby you can use this summary for your literature review analysis, or else you can ask for a question, explain how the text could be better. So mention some important points in bullet. So I am going to ask that as a question. So here let us see how it will generate important points alone. So like that you can chat in the particular text, it will be generated also. So here you can see it is fragmented into different points. As you can see as we have given as a summary, generate summary, it will generate it as a summary. After we have asked for bullet points, so here important points are identified, so that you can make use of this option also. So get your main findings or points from a particular paper, or else you can go for a explain option. So here you can go, you can see there are different options in this explain: simple and short, simple and long, complex and short, complex and long. So you can choose this kind of option, simple and short. So if you click simple and short, a short crisp content will be generated in this PDF you have uploaded. So thereby you can get a better content, that is simple and short content of the particular paper. So it will take several seconds to generate. So after that you will be having different options like simple, long, complex, short, complex, long. So like that, different options are available in this academic GPT. This academic GPT is one of the better tool to make your literature review very comprehensive and very better. So it is loading. Yes, you can see our simple and short content is generated. So this is the simple and short content of the paper. So total summary of the paper. In this summary, the paper dwells into important ACO algorithm, can be used for optimal performance in mobile robot control, and the testing results showing promise increasing in algorithms efficiency. So like that, you can generate simple short content as well as simple long content. So whatever you want, you can generate. So this is the one of the best tool where you can upload papers and you can analyze your paper very better. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today is that word tune read. So this is also an easy paper, thereby you can upload your PDF here. Here you can have a choose option. So I am going to upload the same paper again. So I have used it to work with these tools, because it is what I am telling is that it's all the best tools to analyze and make a comprehensive literature review. So see, here you can see this is the paper we have uploaded. So here you can getting a page wise summary of the particular paper. So here you can see this is the first page. The summary of the first page will be provided here. So next one, you can see the summary of the second page. The next thing, you can see the summary of the third page. So like that, you can avail page wise summary of the particular paper. So like that, you can analyze the paper even better page wise. From every page you will be getting a clear idea about the particular paper. So what is trying to explain and what are the objective of the particular page is showing, or else you can analyze if you want any page to be analyzed better, you can copy and paste the particular page alone also. So you can make use of this option by uploading your paper and get a page wise summary using this word tune read. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today is the chat doc. So this is also a AI tool where you can upload your PDF files. So here Castello AI, the same paper I am going to upload here. So after upload, so here, yes, it will take several seconds to upload. So after uploading your paper, as like in other chatbots, it will also generate your paper. So here you can see. So here you can see this is the paper we have uploaded. So here you can see the possible questions to be asked is generated. What are the input and outputs of the controller used in this paper is algorithm, is the question I have already asked. So here I can select any prompt, or you can type any questions. What is the use of ant colony optimization? So like that, I am going to ask a question. So let us see how it will generate answer for the particular question from the paper. So here you can see the answer for our question is generated. So here you can see that ant colony optimization is a meta-heuristic algorithm used for solving discrete optimization problems. It is inspired by the foraging behavior of real ants. The main use of ACO is to find optimal or new optimal solutions to complex problems such as traveling salesman problem. So like that, the advantages of the particular method we are using in this paper is generated. So thereby you can upload any papers and you can analyze the papers better. So see here, I have uploaded this much amount of paper to analyze my papers, that is to make literature survey very better. So this is one of the tool where I can often use it to analyze my papers. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today is that explain paper. So this is also an AI tool where you can upload your PDF. So for example, say I am going to upload my PDF. So again I am going to upload the same paper. So here you can see that our paper is uploaded in this explain paper. So here you can see, for example, say highlight text to have our AI to explain. For example, say I am going to highlight the text. So after that, highlighting your text. So here you will be having an option called explain. So click on explain. So here you can see that our AI tool will start to explain the particular page, that is particular lines you have selected. So like that you can explain your paper very better. So as to follow up, if you click follow up, so you can ask questions in that also regarding the particular lines you have highlighted. So you can ask question. So other than that, you will be having another option called chat. So here in this chat, what are the important things you can ask for is that will be generated. So here you can see summary the findings. Why is this paper important? What is your critique of this paper? What are some similar papers? What is some prerequisite knowledge for this paper? These all the things you can ask related with the particular paper and get it answered using this AI tool. So this is also a better AI tool where you can upload your PDF and get all your questions answered by using AI tool. So don't forget this explain paper. So you can make note of this explain paper to make your literature review very better. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today is the 𝐲𝐸LY AI. So it is also a best tool where you can analyze your reference paper better. So it is also having a option called drop files. So you can select a file from your that is your database in your computer. So you can select your reference paper and upload that reference paper. So upload that PDF. After that, your document will be processed. So and you will be getting a summary of the paper. So after getting summary, it will also generate what are the possible questions to be asked in the paper, as like we have discussed in the other AI tools. So here you can see what is the new method presented in section 4. Next, how is fuzzy logic used in parameter tuning for electrocharging machine by wiring? How is ACO used for selecting parameters in fuzzy logic controllers? For example, say if this question want to be answered, I am going to select that particular question. So it will take several seconds to answer. As the question is started to answer. So why ACO used to select parameters for fuzzy logic controllers. So here you can see this is the brief answer generated by this AI from observing in the particular PDF you have uploaded. So or else you can ask me a question about your document. For example, if you need any other data in the particular PDF you have uploaded, so you can go on and ask questions in that particular document also. So you can make use of this AI tool to make your literature review very better by uploading your PDF. So next one is that sky summary. So this is also a paper where you can upload your PDF and get itself analyzed. For example, say I have done this before. So I am going to click this option. So this kind of tools have a limit. So for example, say I am going to add an article. So in that I am going to drop a new file here. So in this new file I am going to upload this paper again. So here you can see that our paper is uploaded. So after that you can click a option called view summary. So this is the paper we have uploaded. So here you can see there are different options in this sky summary: summaries, chat, references, similar paper, notes. For example, say if I want summary or summarize, you can summarize it by section. So there will be around section 5 or 6 section probably in all the research papers. So you can summarize by section, or else you can summarize the whole paper, or else you can get key points of the particular paper and key points plus summary, simplify and opportunities for future research. So these are the different options available here. For example, say I am going to click summary. So it will take several seconds to generate that summary. So here you can see this is the summary of the particular paper. So this scientific article presents a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning using ant colony optimization. So and its application in fuzzy control of mobile robot. Like that, a brief summary of the particular paper is generated with keywords. So and also you can go for other options like chat. So the references, similar papers, notes, that also that belongs to the subscription option. So for summaries you don't need to go for subscript, you can use 15k monthly words. So thereby you can make use of this option to get summary and keywords of the particular key points of the particular paper you are going to upload. So the next AI tool what we are going to discuss is that ask your PDF. So here you can see the dashboard of the particular paper. So in this ask your PDF, so you can upload your papers. So here you can click and you can upload your paper as like in all AI tools. So it will take several seconds to update. So after upload your paper, so you can ask the questions related with the particular paper. So thereby you can get a clear idea about the particular paper and analyze the paper even better. So it will take several seconds to analyze the particular document you have uploaded. Here our document is uploaded and it will generate the summary of the particular paper. So here you can see this is the summary. The document is about a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of a mobile robot. The approach uses a fuzzy logic control to maintain diversity and avoid premature convergence. The article analyzes the performance of various variants of ant colony optimization algorithm, presents encouraging results in several. Yes, this will be a better summary. And also you can see these are the different possible questions to be asked in the particular paper. Can you explain the concept of exploration and exploitation in the context of an ant colony optimization? For example, say I am going to click this question and make it as a question, means the AI chatbot will answer the question. So here you can see that the AI chatbot generate answers. So in the context of ACO, exploration, exploitation refer to two different strategies used by the algorithm to search for optimal solution of a problem space. So here you can see the different explanation about the questions we are asked, that is the exploration and exploitation. Or else you can ask what are the main findings of the paper. So like that I am going to ask the chatbot. So the chatbot will answer the question. So here you can see the main findings present in the paper are the followings. So here you can see there is about 4 important points which is to be declared by that AI chatbot about the main findings. So you can copy and paste the main findings of the particular paper also. So like that you can upload your PDF here and get it analyzed better using this ask your PDF tool. The next AI tool what we are going to discuss is that 𝐸𝐸. So this is also a fantastic AI tool where you can upload your PDF. So here I am going to do the same again. I am going to upload my PDF. So here you can see after uploading my PDF here, so this is the paper I have uploaded again. So here you will be having a better analysis questions of the paper. Explain the abstract of this paper in 2 lines. Write the contributions of the paper. find the related papers, explain the practical implications of the paper, summarize introduction of this paper, literature survey of this paper, methods used in this paper, what data has been used in this paper, result of the paper, conclusions of from the paper, limitations of this paper, future works suggested in the paper. So this itself is enough to make a comprehensive literature review of your references. So what are the questions we kept in mind regarding a particular reference paper? All the questions can be answered using this AI tool. For example, say I am going to summarize the introduction of the paper. So I am going to summarize the introduction of the paper. So here you can see the introduction of the paper. So the ACO is a meta-heuristic algorithm inspired by foraging behavior. So all the introduction of the paper is get summarized. So like that you can make use of all the 22 plus more questions, and you can analyze the paper very better using this SkySpace. So don't forget to use the SkySpace for your literature review. By uploading paper, all the possible questions can be asked related with the paper will be automatically generated using this SkySpace. So it will be a fantastic tool for you to make a better analysis of your research paper. So okay, moving on to our next AI tool. So the next AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Lateral IO. So this Lateral IO is also having the same option by uploading your paper. For example, say I am going to upload a new paper. So create a launch product, enter name and call name. Actually I have already used it to analyze the same paper. So I am going to optimization. So create and launch product. So you can upload your paper, drop your files again here. So after uploading, so you will be having different options here: table view, super search, document view. So here click on concepts. For example, say if you want the main findings, you can type on main findings, or else if you want literature review, you can literature review. For example, say I am going to click summary. So here our suggested snippets for the summary is generated. So see, these are the different snippets where you can copy and paste as a summary. So here you can see this is a possible summary where you can copy and paste. Ant colony optimization is a population based meta heuristic that exploits. So like that it will generate different types of suggested snippets to make it as a summary. So you can copy and paste any of them and you can take it as a database. So like that you can segregate a PDF section wise. So thereby you can make a literature review even better. So next you can click on the introduction. So for that introduction it will give suggested snippets also. So like that for every section it will give suggested snippets, and you can copy and paste this snippets here. For example, I am going to save this, so automatically it will be added in your summary. So thereby you can make a database of your reference paper using this Lateral IO. So you can analyze, for example, say if you add all the references here, so you can analyze what is the paper and what are the important summary of that is the summary literature review finding of the same paper in a common page. So this is also an important AI tool where you can get a better literature review. So this is all about different AI tools for literature review. So there are many other tools of our literature review also will be available. These are the special tools where you can upload your PDF and analyze the PDF very better. So we have seen many different AI tools regarding this chat with PDF, that is you can upload PDF and get that PDF analyzed using ask questions in that particular PDF, and also possible questions will be generated in the particular PDF. So hope this video will be very helpful for make you to literature review. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to make a live MATLAB workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So the main objective of this workshop is to cover your basics of MATLAB, and also you can see this is the things we are going to make through the MATLAB, that is optimization of PID controlled parameters for DC to DC converters, and modeling of grid connected PV system, next modeling of PV based EV charging station. So these are the important topics we are going to cover in this MATLAB workshop. So don't forget to register this MATLAB workshop. The link for the registration will be given in the description of the video. So see you on this workshop. So as far as this video is concerned, this is a the wholesome video, that is all in one video for all the literature review related tools. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.